Hey guys! So I went to Hobby Lobby. I bought a reef, an empty one, so that I can go get an LED light, so that I can make a ring light for you guys. Look where I'm at, y'all! Walmart in the house. Alright, so I am back. I bought an LED 16-foot LED rope, and it's the daylight kind. So if you go to Walmart, there's like a soft white, and it's just like a yellow light. And this one's the daylight, so you want the daylight kind. You want the cool light. So this is the most expensive thing, this light. And then I got myself some wax paper, which is like $1.50. And some duct tape. One of the videos I watched used zip ties, but I'm too poor for zip ties, so I just use clear duct tape, which will work perfectly fine. This was $188, $180, something like that. I forgot about my reef. It's in the car. I gotta go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. I didn't check out Walmart's. I'm tired. I should have. This one was $3.99, so it's not too expensive. But this is like a 16-inch one, so 40.64 centimeters around. There was like a bigger one. I was like, I'm pretty sure ring lights are not supposed to be that big. Wait. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yep. I just measured it up to the camera with the microphone on it, and yeah, this one's perfect. There's like smaller ones, but yes. So 16 inches, 40.64 centimeters. You want that. I got this big cardboard box that I'm going to cut out. Just gonna trace it. This is Luffy's box, but sorry Luffy, I gotta use it. And then I already had tinfoil. This is a great value, the cheap ones. It'll be fine. Anyways, so I'm gonna start by cutting out this cardboard. Tracing it with this thingy. Luffy. I told you guys that this was Luffy's box. And I'm sorry, honey, okay? I love you. I know, I'm sorry. I'll get you another box, but I need to use this one. Alright, so now that you have your circle drawn in, and take the scissors and I'm just going to cut it out. This will act as a reflector. Okay, I'm gonna get this knife involved because it's way too hard to cut with scissors. Okay, I finally got it. So, what they did was they took the tin foil and just wrapped it around. Again, you should put the shiny side towards you. Just wrap it. Okay, so reflector complete. Gee. Okay, now I'm going to start doing the light itself. So, not this way that caves in, but the other way where the light will come out. The reef, I think this is a reef. I freaking forgot what it was, and I've been calling it a reef this whole time. But okay. It's finally done. So it started getting really like tedious and kind of annoying. So for the last two lines, I just wrapped it around the whole thing. And I just kept doing that. So it looks pretty nice. I let some off so that I can plug this in. But I'm pretty sure I need a longer line so that I can plug it in. Oh wait. Yeah, it should be right. My next step is to bam and bam. So that's how it needs to look like. But now I take the wax paper, and with the wax paper, it's gonna act like a, I don't know the term, but it's going to help to soften the light on myself. So okay guys, I'm finally done. Yay! I've always wanted a ring light and I finally made one. It was cheap. It was under $25, so this worked out really well. Now the final test. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and then we're just gonna see how it looks like with all the lights off, everything. It's dark. I put down the blinds, shut off the lights, and now I'm going to use, so this is how it looks like without the light. Now we're going to put the light on, turn the light on, I should say. And hon, when you turn it on, can you please hold it? Go ahead. I did it the wrong way.
That looks nice.
Oh my goodness, I'm so... Does it really look good?
Yeah, it looks nice. Not your hair though.
Does it actually like fill in the shadows and everything?
Mm-hmm.
It does?
Yeah.
It looks really good. Oh my goodness, I have to show you guys. Wait, can you see the ring in my eyes?
No.
Aww.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. Look, guys. This is, can you see? This is awesome. It looks pretty legit, actually. I really like it. I'm so happy and excited to use it for tomorrow's video. Yeah, because I got to talk about Running Man. You know Running Man. I'm so happy and I'm really excited to use it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section below and anything that you guys would like to see next. Be sure to be a part of the Variety Pack, the most exciting YouTube channel here on YouTube, and subscribe. Click that bell button so that you guys can get notified every single time I upload a video. And with that, I will see you guys next time.